Hey everyone, and welcome to the Bryan and Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Ricky. So if you were recently involved in a car accident with your children in the vehicle and you were found at fault, you may be shocked to learn that CPS or Child Protective Services is now involved. So what happens next? This video is going to explain how CPS handles cases like these, what your rights are, and how to protect your family during the investigation. When a parent causes a car wreck, especially if alcohol, drugs, or reckless behavior were involved, CPS may open a case to investigate whether the children are safe. So even if no one was injured, the fact that you were at fault and your child was present can trigger an investigation. CPS will want to know whether this was a one-time mistake or part of a larger pattern of endangerment. You may be contacted by a CPS investigator within days of the accident. They might visit your home, talk to your children, or request records related to the crash. This can feel invasive, but you have rights. You do not have to let them in without a court order, and you have the right to consult an attorney before answering any questions. How you respond can greatly impact the outcome of your case. CPS will assess whether the child was hurt, whether the wreck was due to intoxication or gross negligence, and whether your household possesses any other risks. They're going to be looking around. If the investigator determines that your child was put in danger, they may recommend services like parent classes, drug testing, or even temporary removal of the child from your home. And that's usually in extreme cases. The good news is that most CPS investigations related to car accidents are resolved without court intervention, which means you don't have to go to court, especially if you cooperate, you show remorse, and you take steps to prevent future incidents. If you have a clean record, for example, and the wreck was isolated lapse of judgment, your case may be closed pretty quickly. If CPS has contacted you after a car wreck, don't panic, but don't go out alone either. Call the law office of Bryan Fagan. We have experience in both family law and CPS defense, and we can have you schedule a free appointment either in person, online, via phone. Call us. We'll help you with your child and ensure that your rights are fully protected. We'll see you next video.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.